whatever chance I have, you'll have the same chance. I always feel emotional simply because I never forget where I come from. I know the struggles I did, and I know who has helped me reach this, and whatever I've accomplished, it is always shared to all of you. I always call Coach, I think you know that, our local dialect, I call him my tatay. Because our father is the one that will guide us, tell us what to do, and his only goal is for you to succeed. His only goal is for me to succeed. So as you learn the whole day, you have to understand, whatever you learn is what I learned, and if you apply what I fly, you will be more successful than me. You have to dream big because you have the chance to become big. But like anybody else who went up here, kailangan maintindihan mo kung anong kailangan mong gawin. You're here because I always say that this is a life-changing event. But the most important things life to change is your life. I used to fight so hard to be able to attend coach meeting. You know, there's always a qualification in order for you to listen to coach. And I fight so hard. You know why? Because I know that the more I listen, the more I learn, the more I can help more people. Are we ready here to change our life?
Yes!
Are you ready here to learn?
Yes!
Are you ready here to focus?
Yes!
You know, when for me, my relationship with Coach as a father is we are all his children, and he is our father to all of us. So at the end of the day, we run the business through our heart. So it is a very big privilege because it doesn't happen all the time that Coach is here. And I always say that it's just an answered prayer for all of us that, you know, some of us, you struggle out there, you need help, you need guidance. I think we had a very good meeting yesterday, and we had different conversation, and I believe that whatever you learn today, kung anong matutunan nyo ngayong araw na to, lahat tayo mag-explode. Are you ready to build big? Yes. Are you ready to learn? Yes. Ready to focus?
Yes!
All right, so let's watch this video.